What's up, YouTubers? It's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and we finished this job on the sofa today. And as you can see, all the damage has been repaired and completely eradicated. Just want to do a bit of dust off there. That's all. There we go. So you can see now that everything's all been fixed for them, and pretty much looking like a brand new sofa. All this little bit at the front that you saw has all been fixed as well. Okay, and over here where we had quite a substantial amount of damage, we've recoloured this, and basically it's two colours this. So we started off with a red oxide, and then we finished off with a darker sort of brown just to mottle it in there. Okay, so let's have a look at the finished article. So you could put this in a showroom now and it would be absolutely stunning to look at. Okay, so that's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and remember, if you do need your sofa doing, then give us a call, and we can come over and sort it for you. So signing off for now. See you later.